rotten completely.
So this hole is rotten?
This cassava that you see is completely rotten. And this is food for the people in this place. Now this has created a very serious situation of hunger here. Hunger here in Otome and the whole of Palam. Gardens are destroyed, even potatoes, even sorghum, every crop.
Actually, 3/4 of Palam are affected by floods. Irrespective of this place where we have arrived, that is in Otome. When you go up to that end there, go to this side of Lejet, you find that the same situation. Everywhere where we passed. So like now this cassava, you can see how it is. This is a very big garden, and there are so many gardens that are affected. From states here, and all of them are suffering because of floods here. What people need from here is basically food, and then most of the people here sleep in the school there, so they have nowhere to sleep.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.